Hello guys, I made the project land record computerization. This is a login page. Here you can log in two ways, as an admin, as an user. I am logging as an user. Enter the username and password. After entering username and password, click on login button. It will be login. This is the home page of the project, as you can see. These are the modules made in this project. Chaukidara module. Chaukidara module is used to take the record of the Chaukidara details. And attendance module is used to track the attendance of the employees. Add cases module is used to take the record of cases which are pending, solved or instituted in the judicial court. And this is the Jamabandi. Jamabandi module is used to take the record of how much land is sold or purchased. Chaukidara module has sub-modules: fixed Chaukidara, remaining Chaukidara, view Chaukidara and village. Village has further sub-module: add village and delete village. Add village is used to add the villages, and delete village is used to delete the existing villages. Fixed Chaukidara module. In fixed Chaukidara module, you can enter the values and it will calculate the Chaukidara, and after putting all the values, click on submit button. The values are submitted. And remaining Chaukidara form. Remaining Chaukidara form is basically used to calculate the remaining values of the local rate and the Chaukidara. When you enter the values, it will calculate the remaining values, and when you submit it, the values are submitted successfully. View Chaukidara page. Generate PDF is basically used to generate the PDF of the Chaukidara. It will show you which village has how much Chaukidara remaining and local rate remaining. As you can see. Now village, you can add new village and you can delete existing village. In delete village, you can select the village, and after that the village is deleted. This is the attendance module. Take attendance module to take the attendance of the employee. You can select the employee ID and card number. Here you can also read the barcode scanner. When you connected the barcode scanner to your computer, it will automatically scan the employee's ID card or barcode number, and after that you can submit that number. The employee's attendance will be recorded successfully. If you don't have barcode scanner, you can enter the values from the keyboard also. View today's attendance page is used to view the attendance of employees that are present today. As I can enter one values today, this is the record of that. If you want to delete the attendance of particular employee which will be entered wrongly, you can also submit the employee ID and click on submit button. It will be deleted. Now attendance report, similarly like with Chaukidara report is generated, attendance report PDF is also generated, which will show you the attendance report of the month. Send SMS. You can send the SMS to any person, to any employee, or you can generate alerts, whatever you want. Here you can enter your login and password. After filling this, when you click on login button, you can go to further page. On that page you can enter your message. You can send message to one particular person, or also you can send message to the group. Attendance presentation, this is used to show the graphical representation of the attendance report. Line chart is used to show you the values in the form of line chart. As you can see, employee 1 has 1 attendance and employee 2 has also 1 attendance. Next is bar chart. This module is used to draw the bar chart. As you can see here also, employee 1 has 1 attendance and employee 2 has 1 attendance. It will show you the graphs, graphical representations. After that, this is a add cases module. Opening cases, you can enter the values. It will automatically calculate the total values. You can enter instituted cases. It will calculate the available cases. Similarly, for all type of cases like contested mutation, uncontested mutation, CUSTRA, Gidavari, rent eject, all type of cases. And when you fill all the values, total of all the cases is shown automatically here. As I have not entered values in this, when you enter the values, it will show you the total also. And when you click on insert button, values are inserted. Similarly, disposal cases and pending cases. This is the mutation work. This is the inspection. Now Jamabandi module. As you can see, Jamabandi module has keyword number, Khatoni number, Malak name, Kashtkar, Sinchaida Sadhan, Murabba, Rakba, Vishesh Kathan. One special feature of this module is that it can take the values in Punjabi language. When you connect the keyboard which prints Punjabi language, it will take the value and show the same data in Punjabi language and also store the data in database in Punjabi. Whatever you want, you can enter, and after that you will be able to insert the data. Here this module is used to show the record of particular Khatoni number. When you click on submit button, it will show you the record of particular Khatoni number, as you can see. This module is used to update the particular record. As we can see, whatever Khatoni number is entered into the database, you can enter that Khatoni number, or you can enter the record for that particular number, and when you click on update, it will update that. This is my land record computerization project. Thank you.